In this quick video, I'm going to be doing a IPVanish speed test for Netflix, torrenting, and general internet use. And if you are looking to get started with IPVanish, I do have a massive discount link down below in the video description. Let's get started. Okay guys, so the first speed test I'm going to do is for Netflix. So I'm going to connect to a different location and play a little bit of Netflix in real time, just so you guys can get a feel for speeds and performance when using IPVanish. So I'm going to go and change my location to the United States. I'll go and press connect. And I'm actually in Australia at the moment, so this means I miss out on many TV shows and movies that can only be found in other countries. So this will just take a couple of moments to connect, and we'll start to see these green waves of data, and that just indicates to me that we are now connected. So I'll go back to Netflix, I'll refresh the browser, and this will load me onto the American version of the platform. So I'll search for the TV show The Office. So just give that one a quick search. And as you can see guys, we now have access to the Office TV show, plus some additional titles such as Parks and Recreation, Better Call Saul, The New Girl, Criminal Minds, and heaps more. So I'm just going to go play a little bit of this in real time for an indication of speeds. And from my general experience with IPVanish, it typically does take between 5 and sometimes 20 seconds on the long end, depending on where you're located in the world, how many people are on the server. But as you can see guys, this is now. So the next test I'm going to do is just a general internet speed test. So at the moment, I'm not connected to any VPNs whatsoever. So I'll just go and run the speed test and see which numbers we are getting, so we can compare IPVanish's results to this. So at the moment, I'm getting download speeds of around 6 megabytes per second, close to the 7. And as I said guys, I am in Australia and we get shockingly slow internet speeds. So again, depending on where you are in the world, all these speeds in this test will be kind of relative to your location. So at the moment, we're getting close to 7 megabytes down. So I'm just going to jump over to IPVanish and rerun the same speed test. Okay guys, so I've gone and connected to a locally based server in my country, as this will result in the best speeds when using IPVanish. So I'll go back to the test and rerun it. And just as a reminder, our original download speeds were close to 7 megabytes. And as you can see guys, we're kind of getting close to 6 megabytes. It's kind of hovering around the 5, and now it's close to 4. So that has taken off around close to 30% off our original download speeds. And this is something to kind of expect when using a VPN. They typically do take off a certain percentage off your original speeds. And as you can see guys, we're getting close to 5 down and pretty similar upload speeds as well. So what I'm going to do now is jump over to torrenting and also do a difference of downloading before and after when using IPVanish. Okay guys, so at the moment I'm just downloading a free Ubuntu torrent using the uTorrent manager, and I'm not connected to any VPNs whatsoever. And at the moment my download speeds are kind of hovering around the 1 megabyte download per second range. And again, these speeds are incredibly slow as I am located in Australia. So I'm just going to quickly jump over to IPVanish, connect to a similar server and see what the difference is. Okay, so I've gone and connected myself to a locally based server using IPVanish. And as you can see guys, my speeds are kind of hovering around the 1 megabyte to 1.1 megabyte download per second range. So it really hasn't taken much off the top. And from my own experience, this is pretty typical with IPVanish. They're incredibly efficient for torrenting. So as you can see from these various tests guys, IPVanish is really great at what they do. And they definitely are, from my experience, one of the fastest VPNs in the industry for Netflix, general internet use, and also for downloading files as well. And if you are looking to get started with IPVanish, again, don't forget to check out the massive discount link down below in the video description. So hopefully this IPVanish speed test was helpful for you guys. If you have any other questions or maybe I've missed something, then feel free to comment down below, as I'll be more than happy to help you guys out. So as always, thanks for watching. I'll see you all in the next one.